Please all stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name. A member of class 2008. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Cebu Doctors University College of Nursing Alumni Association. Take keen interest in the progress of my alma mater. Involve myself in alumni affairs and take advantage of the programs organized for personal and professional growth, so that I shall be worthy of such membership. So help me God. In behalf of the officers of the Alumni Association, CDUC and nurse graduates, I formally welcome all of you to our Alumni Association. And as there are more than 500 of us installed pins, if we just join hands, we can make a difference. To our association, we need you, and we need your help. But as you now begin to face the challenges ahead of us and ahead of you, we hope and pray that wherever God leads you, bloom where you are planted, and exude in ourselves the values of CDUCN that inculcated by the mentors in us, like commitment, discipline, unwavering compassion, Christian-centered, Christ-centered rather, being morally upright, competent, and meekness in words and in deeds. And wherever you may go, please come home every third week of July and third Saturday in July for our alumni homecoming each year. Once again, welcome to the association and congratulations. Please repeat standing for the Nightingale's pledge. So please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of His assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous. I will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession. I will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping. In all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work. And devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Congratulations.
believe that all these areas are important in molding graduates to become men in answer to the university motto, Primum Homo Esto, that will first be a man. We want our graduates to survive no matter where God will send them, for we believe that nursing is for people. The college gives awards and recognition to graduates for 3 reasons. First, to show to the graduates that the college is aware of and appreciates very much what they have done and the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains of their learning. Second, to encourage them to continue the good work they have started as students when they shall be out there in the professional work, rubbing elbows with other professionals. And third, to inspire their peers and others they come in contact with to do good in life, for goodness has its highest price. Happiness with God, the highest price, will also come. Alright, so to give due recognition to our graduates, may I request Mr. Adu Monsanto, review coordinator, to please read the text of the different awards. Mr. Monsanto, please.
The first award is the Theory Award. This is given to graduates who excel in nursing theory, which includes all professional nursing subjects and other prerequisites. May I request the following graduates to please come forward. 10th place, Mr. R. Blake Warren. 9th place, Ms. T. Katrina Bianca. 8th place, Mr. Quasito Arman. 7th place, Miss Buo Katrina Maria. 6th place, Miss Macampos Belmont. 5th place, Mr. Salvador Ronnie. 4th place, Mr. Aventurado Paul John. 3rd place, Mr. Bosilios Darwin. 2nd place, Miss Gabisa Cherry. 1st place, Mr. Lim Ki. 10th place, Miss Flores Gianmarie. 11th Eighth place, Mr. C. Jeremy. Seventh place, Mr. Hugadora Frederick. Sixth place, Mr. Ang Blake Warren. Fifth place, Miss Batalcos Belma. Fourth place, Mr. Tuasito Arma. Third place, Mr. Juan Joseph Ray. Second place, Miss Gabisa Cherry. First place, Mr. Lin K. The Kumilaki Award is given to the top 10 graduates who maintain this high mark in all subjects of the nursing program from first year to fourth year. May I invite the following graduates to come forward as their names are called. 10th place with an average grade of 1.92, Miss Sanchez Ella Cecilia. Ninth place with an average grade of 1.91, Miss Alcantara Rachel. Eighth place with an average grade of 1.909, Miss Gako Rose Ann J. Seventh place with an average grade of 1.903, Miss Nunez Cristal. Sixth place with an average grade of 1.902, Miss T. Katrina Bianca. Fifth place with an average grade of 1.891, Miss Buo Katrina Maria. 1.89, Mr. R. Blake Warren. Third place, with an average grade of 1.88, Mr. Samuel Ronnie. Second place, with an average grade of 1.83, Mr. Sumlao Julius Christian. With an average grade of 1.68, Mr. Lim K. In nursing theory, related learning experience, pre-board examination, pre-test and post-test review conducted at the beginning of the academic year. Rank on the following students. 10th place, Mr. Divina John Carter. Mr. Sumlao Julius Christian. Eighth place, Ms. T. Katrina Bianco. Place, Mr. Aventurado Paul John. Fifth place, Ms. Bacaldos Bello. Fourth place, Mr. Bosquilios Garbo. Third place, Mr. Lim Keith Adrian. Second place, Mr. R. Blake Warren. First place, Ms. Gabisan Cherry. The college also wants to say thank you to all the graduates who shared their God-given talents and skills in the different contests during their student days. For basketball, our CDUCN basketball team has been champion and first runners-up ever since. It is with great pride that I would like to call on Mr. Reyes Chino Paulo For swimming, the CUCN swim team has time and again kept the gold standard of excellence in competitive swimming. From 2002 up to the present, these swimmers have won the championship through an equal team discipline and drive to be the best as shown in their every stroke, kick, and dive. For 6 consecutive years, these swimmers have kept the standards of the swim team afloat. May I call on one regular member of the team, Mr. Michael Vincent Buzon. For track and field, our CUCN track and field players have extraordinary speed and stamina. They have been running for the college and set the track on fire for the last 4 years. May I request the following students to please come forward. Mr. Keith Cervantes and Ms. Wendy Manswell. For soccer, the no retreat, no surrender team of CUCN is our soccer team. They have become better, faster, and stronger, and are able to face challenges wherever they are and whoever they come face to face. May I request the gentleman behind this team for 4 years to come forward. Mr. Francis Noli Morales. Our CUCN dance team has grace and precision in movements. The audience cannot help but pick up them with both. It is their passion and determination that led our college to the top. May I call on one regular member of the nursing dance team for the last 4 years, Ms. Nidia J. Salgado. The world is a better place to live in because of music. We are very proud of our Nurses Rose Choir. They recently won the intramurals choral competition, vocal solo duet, dialogue contest at the university. Will the following students please come forward? Mr. Jose Beto Palomeras. Ms. Lara Lane Serra. Ms. Rufil Marie Quiron. Ms. Melissa Lanori. Ms. Carmen Adeline Chavez. Ms. Denise Duran. Ms. Johnny Ferrer. And Ms. Janeline Millianes. This year, the college would also like to acknowledge a student's contribution for bringing honor and pride to the university in the Miss Cebu pageant last January 2007. being the first runner-up in the contest, may I request Ms. Katrina Ross to please come forward. The college wants to recognize graduates who showed exemplary leadership potential during their student days. The true essence of leadership is to first be a humble servant to one and all, leading others toward God's goodness and influencing them towards a positive change. The College of Nursing shows appreciation by giving the Leadership Award to 2 students. As a student, this year was an officer of the student body for the academic year 2005 to 2006. She was the Vice President, Internal Affairs for the year 2006 to 2007 and served as Student Body President for the year 2007 to 2008. We are all happy to acknowledge that all student body organization activities were successful. May I call on Ms. Pamela Ayala. Another student leader showed her great potential in keeping track of the money in and money out of the Supreme Student Government. A very reliable treasurer who earned a recommendation from the director and staff of the Student Supreme Government is Ms. Melody Anna.
Your scroll pin is the one and only pin that should stay in your uniform. Always. The pin together with your cup or badge declare to all on Sunday that you come from CUCN, no matter where you go, no matter what you do. It is my hope, a prayer in fact, that in the future, more respect for people who are down and have a ability to stand up and face the world. We did the best that we could to share with you the knowledge, the attitudes, and the skills which we believe are important for you as a nurse and as a person, because we care for all. We want you to be happy. Remember, be proud of what you know, but humble. Always humble with the knowledge that there is still so much to learn out there. Remember that whatever you do, somebody up there makes a tally. So I dare you, all of you, I dare all of you, to do or to be different. If to be different is better than not. So to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, one and all. Congratulations.
Please stand up for the alma mater song.